In today's video, I'm going to teach you how is Google Calendar good for productivity. We'll turn your calendar into a simple system that keeps you organized, focused, and on time. Start by opening Google Calendar and creating a few dedicated calendars so your week is easy to read at a glance. On the left, click the plus sign next to other calendars, then choose Create New Calendar. Make one for categories like work, content creation, clients, personal growth, personal, and health. Assign each its own color. Color coding gives instant context. You can tell if your day is heavy on client work or light on personal time. And remember, you can toggle calendars on and off if your view ever feels crowded. Next, tune your default event settings so the calendar works the way you do. Go to Settings, then Event Settings. Pick a default event duration such as 30 or 60 minutes. Set 2 reminders, for example 10 minutes and 1 hour before, and choose whether you want email or pop-up notifications. This small setup step prevents missed tasks and keeps your attention where it belongs. Now time block your day instead of relying on a loose to-do list. Lay out your priorities as appointments. 8 to 9 for admin tasks, 9 to 11 for deep work, 1 to 2 for client calls, and 4 to 5 for content creation. Treat these blocks like real meetings. If something runs long, move the block rather than delete it, and leave short buffers to breathe between sessions. Make routines effortless with recurring events. Open any event and set it to repeat on the cadence you need. Use this for weekly planning on Sunday evening, a monthly budget review, regular client check-ins, or your gym schedule. Recurrence saves clicks and ensures the important stuff always has a home. Protect your focus by adding focus time and marking out of office when you're unavailable. Focus time automatically limits meetings, while out of office declines invites for you. Bring your task list into view with tasks integration so action items sit right on your calendar like goals you can actually schedule. Finally, sync everything across devices. Install the Google Calendar app on your phone, turn on notifications, connect it with Gmail, and link it to Zoom or Meet so meeting details appear automatically from email invites. When you create an event, use the description area wisely. Add the agenda, keynotes, relevant links like your video call or a shared document, and a short checklist. With everything in one place, you show up prepared and stay on track. Set this up once, and your calendar becomes a trusted system that guides your day, not just a place where meetings live.